Could it really be possible to increase testosterone and growth hormone to achieve impressive lean muscle gains without steroids or other dangerous drugs? The answer is yes. This breakthrough course, backed by scientific research, reveals 4 specialized training techniques that significantly increases your natural testosterone and growth hormone, setting you up to get bigger, leaner, and stronger in only 180 minutes a week, all while saving you time, energy, and non-science-based workouts that failed you in the past. Plus, the shocking reason why not performing certain muscle groups first and applying these 4 specialized training techniques to maximize muscle hypertrophy keeps you overweight, keeps you small, and keeps your testosterone levels low like that of a little girl. Scientists, professional coaches, and Olympic trainers discovered that these 4 specialized training techniques increase strength, muscular size, fat burning, and record-breaking lifts by unleashing the body's natural anabolic hormones responsible for growth. Dear friend, do you know how to tell if you have low testosterone? If not, you're at a real disadvantage when it comes to building lean muscle, losing fat, and building a strong body. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but if you're not getting at least 4 to 5 morning erections, aka morning wood, you could be suffering from low testosterone levels. In the adult male, sleep-related erections are linked to levels of testosterone, with testosterone production also peaking during REM sleep. As testosterone levels drop, frequencies of SREs, or sleep-related erections, declines. However, you're not alone. Most men don't realize how low their testosterone levels are and struggle to build lean muscle while losing ugly belly fat. In fact, it took me some digging around in research articles to discover some of the biggest breakthroughs for increasing testosterone and growth hormone naturally without the use of steroids and other dangerous drugs. Put simply, applying these 4 specialized training techniques into your workouts will maximize muscle hypertrophy and radically accelerates both testosterone and growth hormone, which ultimately increases muscle gains, strength, reduces injuries, prevents muscle imbalances, and boosts your fat-burning metabolism into a fiery furnace. It's pretty easy to imagine how fast you'll build a strong and powerful body that's unstoppable when you begin to apply these specialized training techniques right into your workouts that increase testosterone and growth hormone in the shortest time possible. When you enroll into this course, I'll show you those specialized training techniques and how you can implement them into your training for maximal muscle hypertrophy. This is critical because if you're performing your workouts in the wrong way, you'll be essentially castrating yourself, keeping your testosterone and growth hormone levels suppressed like an 80-year-old man. Having below average testosterone and growth hormone levels can be the root cause of chronic problems such as poor performance and sex drive, restlessness, stress, excessive belly fat, lack of strength and power, suffer from erectile dysfunction. If any of these sound familiar to you, don't worry because many men are in the same boat living in quiet desperation, not applying the right workouts that trigger natural testosterone and growth hormone will keep you exactly where you are and most professional trainers ever tell you about. When you train based on these 4 specialized techniques, you'll unleash and flood your body with an anabolic response that forces your body to incinerate fat while building muscle at the same time. This discovery comes from the recent scientific research pioneered by Olympic coaches and hypertrophy specialists to do one thing: take an ordinary man and turn him into a man of confidence, power, and strength. I'm talking about the kind of techniques that when done effectively and efficiently and performed in the right order, you'll unleash and flood your body's ability to grow bigger, stronger, leaner, with lasting erections you can hang a wet towel on. And no, it's not the 5x5 program or those insane DVD workouts. I've used and witnessed the powerful effects of these specialized techniques firsthand as it skyrocketed my testosterone while building lean muscle mass. I've studied hundreds of techniques, and 4 of them really stands out for me. These 4 specialized training techniques are the secret key to unlock your body's natural anabolic growth hormones regardless of age or genetics. Testosterone, growth hormone, and lactic acid is more critical than your diet or any workout program you follow. You must execute each rep, each set, and each exercise using these 4 techniques to kickstart the anabolic hormones responsible for lean muscle growth. If you fail to apply all 4 of these techniques, it doesn't matter how disciplined you are with your diet, such as how much protein, carbs, and fats you consume or what workout program you follow. But if you act on what I just explained to you starting today, you'll be way ahead of your buddies and other guys around the world. Just imagine right now what a killer body will do for you in your job, marriage, dating relationships, winning the respect of others around you, rekindling an old flame, and the most valuable currency of all, time. Imagine how you'll feel right now when everything seems to go your way effortlessly because you have your new physique that only took you a minimal amount of time to achieve, to increase more testosterone and growth hormone while building noticeable head-turning muscle without all the negative side effects of dangerous drugs, and to build a body that's attractive and gets stares from the opposite sex when you walk by. Since I've begun sharing my secrets, hundreds of guys in over 174 countries have used these exact techniques to pack on lean, hard rock muscle in the shortest time possible, without drugs or bogus supplements. My desire is for you to experience the same thing for yourself. I have put together a step-by-step system which will unlock the muscle-building hormones hidden inside your body. This course will increase testosterone, growth hormone, leanness and mass, and is based all on science. Quite simply, as long as you apply and use these 4 specialized techniques, every workout you try from today will result in bigger, stronger, and leaner muscles, and you will do it without exposing yourself to injury. These specialized techniques are so powerful, they're the core of creating the most amount of testosterone and growth hormone. Click the button to enroll and join my other students who have allowed these muscle-building techniques to empower their workouts.